Hello and welcome to 3D Nut. My name is Anat, and in today's video I'll show you 3 methods to create diamond patterns in Blender. Diamond patterns are very useful to create fences, tile flooring, and window grates. First method, modifiers. Here I have a 2 meter square plane, and so we can see better, let's enable wireframing viewport overlays. Now go to Modifiers, Add Modifier, Generate, and add a Subdivision Surface modifier. Set it to Simple and uncheck Optimal Display. This way, we can see the end result. To create the diamond pattern, Add Modifier, Generate, and add a Decimate modifier. Select Unsubdivide and set iterations to 1. To set the size of the diamond pattern, just increase or decrease the subdivision levels. And when it's done, apply both modifiers. With this pattern here, we can create a fence, for example. Press Tab to go to Edit Mode, X to delete, and select Only Faces. Press Tab to exit Edit Mode, right mouse, Convert to, and select Curve. Now go to Data, Geometry, Bevel, and set depth to 5 mm. Second method, Subdivide. With the plane selected, press Tab to go to Edit Mode, right mouse, and select Subdivide. On number of cuts, I like to set odd numbers. This way, I always have an edge on both the X and Y axis center. To create the diamond pattern, press Ctrl+ F and select Poke Faces. Now press Ctrl+ F one more time and select Triangles to Quads, or just press Alt+J. With this pattern here, we can create floor tiles, for example. With all faces selected, press I 2 times to insert individual, type 5, and enter to confirm. Now press E to extrude, type 5, and enter to confirm. Third method, loop cuts. With the plane selected, press Tab to go to Edit Mode. Here I'll create a 3:1 subdivision of this plane to make a taller diamond pattern. Let's create 3 vertical cuts. Press Ctrl+ R to create a loop cut, type 3, and enter 2 times to confirm. Now 1 horizontal cut. Press Ctrl+ R to create a loop cut, and enter 2 times to confirm. To create the diamond pattern, press A to select all, Ctrl+ F, and select Poke Faces. Now press Ctrl+ F one more time, and select Triangles to Quads, or just press Alt+J. With this pattern here, we can create window grates, for example. With all faces selected, press I 2 times to insert individual, type 20, and enter to confirm. Press X to delete and select faces. Now exit Edit Mode, go to Modifiers, Add Modifier, Generate, and add a Solidify modifier. Set thickness to 20 mm and offset to 0. And these are 3 methods to create diamond patterns in Blender. If you're still here, it means you are liking the content of this channel. I really want to thank you for spending your time with me learning some basic Blender. I hope you have enjoyed as much as I have making it. So please, consider subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, and leave a comment. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.